All right, so we've got some Thumbium updates. I'm going to make a video for you. There's three main updates, and I want to go over and test these out for you today. So I'm going to go in here to the email, and I've wanted to get this video out for a while, but it actually has been about 10 days. And this one right here particularly was my idea. I worked with Chris on and told him that, hey, we need to be able to add subtext. And he actually added that like the same day within 24 hours during launch. So that's really cool. But they've added some other stuff too. So I'm going to show you the subtext in thumbnails, right? So that's like right here now with subtext right underneath your main title. You can also add a subtext feature right there, which is really, really cool. Then we come over here to the second one. The client add-on tool now watermarks the images and uses a generic domain to hide Thumbium, right? So it won't show that you're using an AI tool to create these. And then it also adds the watermark, and then you can also get feedback from your client, and then you can go back in there and actually make changes, which is super, super cool. So we'll go take a look at that as well. And then finally, this right here coming soon, and they have, I'm actually glad that I waited to put this video out because they have added the templates library with an option to save thumbnails as templates. So let's jump in right here. We're under Studio right here, and you can see templates is now added right there, which is cool. All right, so we're going to go with project name, and let's just say we have a video title. Let's go over to AppSumo, look at new arrivals, and just go and say I'm going to, do another review on something, and let's just say it's like this right here, or maybe social boo. They have some other ones right over here. Kind of an interesting, funny name right there, but this is what I'm going to go with right now. So I'm going to come over here and just put that in right there. And then we have our YouTube right there. And then we can go with the subject. I'm going to skip down over here to the idea and the prompt, or so this right here will be Social Boo Review. And then what we'll do is come back over here and we'll get a little bit of text. Schedule, publish, and analyze and grow social media presence. I'm just going to say something like social media automation for 12 platforms, something like that, right? So I'm going to say like this, social media automation for 12 plus platforms, something like that. That'll be our subtext, right? So that's really cool. And you can see we have our 50 of 50 for the month right there, depending on what version that you picked up. They have a tutorial, a video added as well. So then we'll come back up over here. So we have our how reference photos work. So I'm going to say the subject is right here. And so I'm going to go and grab a picture of myself real quick. We'll just come through here and we'll just go and grab myself. We'll just grab this one right here. So I've got some images right there. The product. So we'll come back over here and I'll just probably do a screenshot of the product, the selected portion, and maybe the software can just decide what it wants to use out of that right there. And we'll come back over to Thumbium and we'll add that product right here. We'll go into our screenshots and we'll add that in right there. And then the background, we can leave that be, or we can go and add our background. So let's go and add our background and see how well it does. So I'm going to come through here and I actually have my background over here, and then it's under LearnWire. It's tagged on my computer and it's right here. Okay. So we've added the three elements right there. We've added everything, and we can also put in a text right here if we wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So, actually, no, I'm going to leave that. Let's just see what it'll produce without putting something in right there. We can go with medium, auto. That's fine. Text reference right there as well. And remember, you can click right here and you can choose which one you want. I'm going to stick with that one. It just seems to be make the coolest ones. You could come in here and you could pick up a product video, a vlog, different ones right over here as well. I'm going to keep it on that, and image type right there. Okay. So variations, let's just do 2. And if you want some, decorative accents, you can do that as well. I'm going to go ahead and leave it right there. And I'm actually going to select high, and it will tell you that this will cost about 16 cents to produce. So we're going to generate those and we'll be right back. Okay, so it says the thumbnails are done. So then what you'll do is you'll come over here to the gallery and we'll take a look at the thumbnails that were created right over here. Let's go take a look at this one. So we have Social Boo Review, social media automation for 12 plus platforms. We've got the picture of myself, and then I'm actually holding the product right over here. So that's actually pretty cool. And then we have the background right there. So it's about as good as it gets for just a couple buttons, right? Let's go take a look at this one. This one, it created it on the left. And remember, we didn't instruct it if I should be on the right or left or whatever like that. It did decide to use its own kind of creative mode. You added in kind of this flare, kind of neon glowing in the background. And then we have Social Boo Review right here as well. I would probably edit and change this, the color right over here, but overall really cool. The laptop is a little kind of wonky shape right there. So I would say out of the two, we did get one that was absolutely almost just basically perfect. I would literally use this and publish it like this. Social Boo, it's got really nice outlining. It used a contrast of yellow and white. So it's very, very easy to see what this is. And then it has the little subtext right there. It actually fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, basically 6 words on that one line right there. Looks really good. And then this right here, holding it in my hand, is super, super cool as well. Now, if we wanted to do some changes, we could just instruct it. This was out without doing any prompt whatsoever. I could say, hey, have the guy smiling, do this, do that. I could also come in here and say, hey, just use the logo of Social Boo or something like that, right? But overall, does this get you a thumbnail that's clickable out the door? Absolutely. And then you can use that custom prompting if you want to, right? So this one definitely was the one that I liked the best out of the two. Now let's go on and check out the next feature. So Subtext, really, really awesome stuff right there. The client add-on tool with no watermarks. Okay, so let's just say we created that thumbnail for our client, right? So we're going to come over here to the client review. If you have the client review package, you can purchase that, right? So we have this one added, but all you have to do is just, let's just say we have a new client, and let's just say that their name is Matt, and we're going to say create. And so now we have a folder, right? So we have these different folders. We're going to go into Matt. We're going to add our first thumbnail that we created with Thumbium, and it's this one right over here that I think is really good, right? So we're going to click that one, and we're going to say boom, and we're going to say, okay, Matt, we have our thumbnail for you. Let's go and send this to him. So we're going to go and copy this, and then we're going to go over here and then send this to him in an email, or if it's on Microsoft Teams or Slack or whatever you're using to communicate with the clients, you're going to go send this and now check it out. So Thumbium review, it says right here, thumbnail review. So it's just thumbnailreview.com, right? So this is the link that they're going to get. They're not going to know what software that you use to create this, or if you used Photoshop or what. But then even more importantly, so this hides the ability for them to know that you're using AI. And they probably know you're using AI, but they're just not going to know like your process, right? You don't want your client to know your full workflow and process, and the fact that you have a secret tool, Thumbium, that's going to basically be doing all the heavy lifting for you. Then you can come over here, but then now look at right here, all this right here, preview. It's added a watermark in this particular one, right? So that someone can come in here and they can actually take a look at it and say, well, you know what, maybe change the red right here to blue or something like that, right? So that's how that would work. So someone would have this and they would either push approve or they would request changes, right? So I would go to the request changes and I would just say, yeah, this is Matt. And I would say, make the red box blue. I'm just going to do that for fun, right? So send request. So then now we have a request, and then we're going to come back into Thumbium. We're going to push refresh. We'll come back in here, and then you can see that all we have to do is to manage our folders is just come through here and say, okay, Matt has a request that's needed on this thumbnail right here. So then what we can do is come over here and we can push open. So I'll push open, it'll open this up, and then it'll actually say, okay, so there are some changes right here. Request changes on this thumbnail. So it's make the red box blue. Oh, okay. All right. So then we would come back over here and then we would go in to our gallery where that actually exists. And then we would go in here to this right here and we would say, okay, change red box with, and I like to be specific, social media automation for 12 plus platforms to a blue box. Something like that, right? And that's literally all we need to do. I'm going to keep it on high quality. I'm actually going to keep it on medium just for now because I want it to be fast. And so we're going to say, boom, go like that. Now the edit is started and we'll be right back. Okay, cool. So we got that back. We'll come through here. We'll go ahead and click on it. And then you can see Social Boo review. Doesn't look like anything else was changed at all. But then we changed the red box to blue right there. So that is how you would do that, right? So then you would come over here. And then what you would do is you would come back into client review. And then what you would do, actually, I did that wrong. You actually would come in here to edit with AI right here. You'd actually edit this while you're inside here, and then it would change that, right? But that's actually I'm kind of glad I made that mistake right there. So you would use this. It's even more intuitive than I was even thinking. It's literally just right here. You edit with AI right here, and it would fix it immediately fix it while inside the tool. But what you could do is that you would just come over here to, you'd go into Matte, and you would just go and say add thumbnail, and you would just go to that one that you just did. You would grab that, you would add the new one, and then you would just go and copy the link and go and send that and say, okay, here. And then you would just go back into this one and you would say, you would say approve, or you would just give them a note and say, hey, check your inbox for the new thumbnail or something like that, right? So that's how that would work. Let's go take a look at the templates feature. The third feature that they just released is the templates library. So let's come back over here into Thumbium and let's go into templates. And you have all these different templates right over here that are already ready, whether it's food, whether it's horror, whether it's video gaming, business, calm stretch, fitness right there. So just a lot of thumbnails, templates in here. You can also go and just click on travel. You've got some travel, you've got business right over here, and you've got like tutorial right over here, which is cool. Okay, so then you would just go and you would say, use this right here. And then we can say, what is your video about? So then let's just use that same kind of example from earlier. So I'm just going to go like that. And then I'm just going to say, okay, so I'm going to say social boob review, insane social media automation, YouTube, your photo. So we'll go and upload our photo real quick, go right into here, and we'll just go and add one. Let's do this one. And we'll just go like this, background photo. We can do the background photo. I'm going to leave that out actually. I'm going to do 2 variations and I'm going to do standard. Let's just do standard and generate in this style right here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I think that they're ready. We'll come back over here to gallery and take a look at our new thumbnails right here, and we'll go and take a look. All right, so I've got social boob review, insane social media automation, looks good right there. Just what an awesome thumbnail right there, right? So these are the ones that get the clicks. I don't usually like to do that with my mouth open and all that stuff, but it does give you an example of that it just was able to create a thumbnail that you'd basically have to go and hire. These look like the thumbnails that people come and they email me every single day and they're like, hey, like we can make your thumbnails better. And here's an example. Well, we have this tool that can do it for us, right? And we have this one with both hands up, kind of follows the image that I gave it right away. We didn't change the background, right? So that it just puts a really nice thumbnail right there, and then you're just done, right? So really, really good results right there. So once again, we have the studio and we have the subtext right over here, which allows you to add that extra element layer that you have your main headline, and then you have a little bit of subtext underneath it. Of course, you can really customize it by using the prompt over here. And then we have our brand new templates section right over here. All you have to do is just click on something that you like, fill it in what it's about, put the heading, subtext if you want, upload your image if you want to, upload your custom background photo if you want to, and then it's going to create one just like that. You can just select hi. And remember, the ones that I just showed you was on standard, and it still created them very fast, and it created them very, very good as well. So you can save even more money by using the standard version as well. And then finally, that client review over here, really, really cool stuff. When you go to send these off to people, you just upload your thumbnail that you created, you copy it, you come over here, and then you paste it in, and then it just says thumbnailreview.com. So they just know that this is where you're hosting, and you can talk back and forth with your client to get the right thumbnail that looks good for them. So those are the updates. The link will be below. It's still on 50% discount. It's still basically kind of like under launch right now. So this is still the time to go and get this. This is one of the better thumbnail that I've tested. I've tested a lot of thumbnail creators, and this one is, what I like about it is that it's like the vehicle, right? So you're just paying one time. You get the really nice features right over here. Some of these are upgrades, obviously, the client review, the remixer, and all that kind of stuff. But once you pay for this, you get this really nice interface to create and manage all of your thumbnails. And it's structured in a way that like it will create these thumbnails, and it will keep all the settings and just change one thing. And it does a really good job at that. Whereas if you go and have to do all the prompting yourself, you're going to find that a lot of things change that you didn't want to change. You're going to have to, if you don't specify those things, then it's a little bit harder. And then all you do is just pay for OpenAI, and so it's using the best engine, in my opinion, to create thumbnails as well. So it's a really, really good win-win situation. Lifetime deal, like I said, link below. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next video. So, okay, perfect. So when I'm editing my video, I was actually using Thumbium to create the thumbnail that you clicked on to watch this video, which is super cool. But there was one main feature that I wanted to make sure that I put in the video, which is templates, right? We went over templates It's great. You have all these templates that you can go through. But one of the main reasons why you would want to pick up this brand new feature they just added, which is templates, is that you can add from your library, right? So you can come into your library that you created. And if you create something you really, really like over here, right? Like this one right over here, you can add it to your templates, right? So when you go to templates and you have a template that you use all the time, you can just go to it. You can click on it. And then right here, you're already done. And now right here, you would just go and upload, you could either use that right there or tell it to change it or whatever right there. And in this case, it would be more like this one right here. And we would actually just change the text right there. And then we would upload our photo right there for the object or something like that, and then we would upload. So you can actually save your thumbnails that you really like, that you're going to use that template a lot. You save those as templates right here. So very, very important. I wanted to put that on there. That's one of the main features, is that you can, once you create a thumbnail that you like and that is repeatable, especially in my business, I do software reviews. So a lot of times I just want them to look something like this. I can add them as a template and then just come in here and change the text, boom, and done right there. So super, super cool stuff.